Hi, my name is Mato Antonio Navarro. I go to present my Airbnb. Okay, in my Airbnb, I will give several basic facilities which are basic for staying in a house, such as bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, and several rooms. Okay, the facilities. The bath or the bathroom. In my bathroom, you will find a square shower which will provide you with a good bath with plenty of water. I also have a large mirror for you to use when relaxing. A bath too, in case you want to bathe in this way. The shelf is for you save what you need, towels, soaps, and other accessories well provided. Okay, the kitchen. The kitchen is more basic. It's made with gray, wank, wood. It has electronic stove, the pots, plates, and other accessories are given by the house. The room. The room is very beautiful, which is composed of a glass wall, excuse me, of a glass floor with further furniture facing the entertainment with our television. The sound systems is attached to the ceiling and the speakers on the sides of the television. As for the food, it will very brief. We have all varieties, available from fast food or for lunch, starting from the hamburger to the pork ribs. As for activities, we have a pool, we have a swimming lessons, we have a golf course nearby where you can go, have a good time. We have an events room when you can have big parties, and finish room of video games when you can a FIFA Championship or Call of Duty Championship. Regarding the comforts, we have breakfast at paid every day of the reservation. Lunch for an affiliate is much cheaper, and all services are free from the video games room to the golf course. The price, we have several plans if you stay from 1 to 3 days. You pay the sum of 50,000 pesos per person, and if you stay from 1 to 7 days, we give you a plan of 200,000 pesos for a maximum of 8 people. Okay, it's no more. Welcome to Airbnb. I hope you love our service. Thanks.